Way. He's walking on his knees. Second FC. It's like so far, even though they are facing off, they have no position. Second blue. Here comes Second FC. They are trying to destroy by passing off. Oh. This is going to be an exciting one. Who will be the champion and will be making history by becoming the first champion of Polyvilla Trinity Football Tournament. Sunderland trying to make its way. And the player taking no chance. The ball out of danger zone, heading back to the goalkeeper. Here comes full-time FC trying to press. Defenders are in trouble. They are very cool and calm. It's beautiful passing. Beautiful pin of 1-2. Still going strong to Weaver. They penetrate here. And Chulombo coming in. He's there. Striker. Oh, number 8 is all alone.